Have you ever looked at someone else's life and thought, I wish I had what they have: beauty, talent, freedom? Jealousy quietly eats us from the inside. But what if I told you that what you already have can make you greater than ever you imagined? This story will change you how you see yourself. In a peaceful meadow filled with colorful flowers lived a tiny honeybee. She was hardworking, quick, and sharp. Every day she buzzed from flower to flower, collecting nectar for her hive with great dedication. But slowly her heart began to change. Whenever she saw the butterfly fluttering gracefully in the air, she sighed. Everyone admires her beauty, while I am only a small honeybee. When the honeybee noticed the sparrow singing on a branch, she thought, if only I had a sweet voice like hers. Everyone listens to her melodies, but who listens to me? And when she saw the deer leaping joyfully through the grass, her heart grew heavy within me. Why I was given only tiny wings? Why can't I run freely like them? Day by day, jealousy began to consume her. She no longer enjoyed her work. Her buzzing, once filled with joy, became dull and weak. Her hive mates asked, why are you so gloomy these days? But she only smiled faintly, hiding the storm inside her heart. One fateful afternoon, dark clouds gathered in the sky. The wind howled fiercely, and soon a violent storm swept across the meadow. Rain poured heavily, flowers bent under the weight of water. The butterfly's delicate wings became soft. She could no longer fly. The sparrow's nest fell from the tree, leaving her shivering in the mud. The deer slipped on the wet ground, injuring her leg. The meadow that once looked like a paradise was now in chaos. But deep inside the beehive, the bees remained safe. Their hive, built with unity and hard work, stood firm against the storm. The honeybee peeked outside and saw her friends in distress. Her heart ached. I wasted so much time wishing to be like them, but today they are the ones suffering. Maybe I can help. With courage, the honeybee called her fellow bees. Friends, let's go out together. Let's use our strength to save them. And so hundreds of tiny bees swarmed into the storm. Some lifted the butterfly to a dry branch, others guided the sparrow to safety. A group of bees brought leaves and herbs to heal the deer's wound. The meadow animals watched in amazement. How could such small creatures show such enormous kindness? When the storm finally passed and the sun broke through the clouds, the butterfly, sparrow, and deer gathered around the honeybee. The butterfly said softly, your heart shines brighter than my wings. The sparrow chirped, your buzzing may not be music, but today it was the sweetest sound of hope. The deer bowed his head and said, you may be small, but your kindness makes you greater than all of us. For the first time, the honeybee smiled with true pride. She realized she didn't need beauty, songs, or speed. Her worth lay in her unique gift, the power of service of team and teamwork. From that day on, the honeybee never compared herself with others again. She understood that every creature has its own purpose. The butterfly brings beauty, the sparrow brings song, the deer brings grace, and the bee brings unity and healing. Jealousy makes us blind to our own strengths. We waste time wishing for what others have, forgetting the treasures within us. But true greatness is not in wings or voices or speed. It is in kindness, service, and the courage to use what we already have for the good of others. Being small is never weakness. A big heart can make the tiniest one the greatest of all. Think about it. How many times in life do we fall into the same trap as the little honeybee? We see someone else's life and immediately think, if If only I had her beauty, people would admire me. If only I had his wealth, life would finally feel secure. If only I had their talent, I would finally be respected. We don't say it out loud, but inside, the comparison is always there, and slowly it eats away at us. But what happens when we live with this mindset? We don't just admire others, we start to despise ourselves. We stop enjoying the blessings we already have. We forget the gifts we were born with. We drown in comparisons, measuring our value against someone else's highlight reel. The truth is simple. Jealousy blinds us. It makes us forget that every single person, just like every creature in the meadow, was created with a unique purpose. The butterfly was made to bring beauty, the sparrow was made to sing, the deer was made to live with grass, and the bee was made to serve, unite, to heal. Now, pause for a moment and ask yourself, what were you made for? Maybe your gift isn't loud, maybe it isn't glamorous, maybe no more claps when you use it, but your gift has power. Power to touch lives, power to heal wounds, power to create change in a way no one else can. Think about history. Not everyone who changed the world was the richest, or the strongest, or the most talented. Some became great simply because they cared, because they gave, because they showed kindness with others and stayed silent, because they chose to serve when others chose to envy. Jealousy makes us blind to these truths. It whispers, you are not enough. But life is not about being better than others. It is about becoming the best version of yourself. Ask yourself right now, what are the smallest strengths you carry? The hidden abilities you take for granted, the little acts of courage you perform without even noticing. Maybe you are the friend who always listens. Maybe you are the parent who sacrifices silently. Maybe you are the student who keeps trying even when no one notices your effort. These may look ordinary, but they are extraordinary in the eyes of those who receive them. The bee thought her buzzing was worthless until one day it came the sound of hope. Your voice, your presence, your kindness may look small to you, but in the right moment, they can become someone else's lifeline. So let go of comparison, let go of envy. Don't waste another day wishing to live someone else's life. Start living your own fully, courageously, gratefully. Greatness is not measured by applause, it is measured by impact. It is not about how much the world admires you, it is about how much better the world becomes because of you. Remember this, the butterfly will always have wings, the sparrow will always have a song, the deer will always have grace, but only the bee can make honey, and only you can live with your purpose. So, the next time jealousy whispers in your heart, smile and say, I don't need to be anyone else because what I already have is enough to make me great. And when you live with that truth, no storm, no envy, no comparison will ever steal your joy again. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and tell me in the comments where you are watching from, because sometimes one little story can change the way we see life.